Hello and welcome to Bella's show. We're cooking today and she's making brownies. Say hello, Bella.
Hi.
All right, are you ready to get started? What are we going to do?
Make brownies.
Make brownies. What are you doing first?
Put the mixer in. Or get the eggs. Get the eggs.
Okay, go ahead and pour your liquids in your bowl.
What's going on?
Your small bowl for mixing. She's okay, Milo. Here, hand that to Bella. Be very careful.
I put them in the same one.
Hand them to
I'm
Bella.
both in there.
Say hi to the camera, Milo. Say hi. Smile. Be happy.
Can I do it on this bowl?
Yes, ma'am.
You got it. Okay. Got it. Can you fix this real quick? That would let me dry my hands off because I got better.
Sometimes we have to wipe our hands. That's okay. All right. Next, what are you pouring in now? What you got?
That.
Your liquids. What are your liquids?
Oil and water.
Oil and water.
I put both
You have how much? A half a cup of oil. Pour that in.
I already did.
Okay. And you've got your quarter cup of water in there?
Both of them.
All right. Mix up your eggs and your liquid.
And I'll throw them. Mommy.
Yes, sweetheart. Okay, just a minute. I know. We will have candy after we're done making brownies. Okay? This is Bella's cooking show. Is it all mixed up? Good job. Look at you. Put your brownie mix powder in your big bowl.
Okay. Big tiny bowl.
Careful. Yeah, careful with it. Good job.
Got it. We still got that towel to keep hands clean. Oh, I'll clean that before I start one. Now what do we do?
Now you're going to add your liquid to the brownie mix.
You need more liquid?
No. All of your bowl, honey. Your bowl of liquids.
Right.
Yeah.
To the mixer. Are we going to use this whisk?
You can use that whisk, yes. And you can use that other spoon that I gave you for stirring.
Yes, Mommy. Also, I got it. Use the watermelon. Because somebody eat it in half. Whoopsie. I wonder what this tastes like. Can I eat the chocolate out of the bowl when we're done cooking?
Hold on to your bowl real good. Wrap your arm around it. Wrap your other arm around it because it's a big bowl. This one.
Oh.
Wrap it around it.
I got chocolate on me.
Well, that's okay. You can get some chocolate on you.
Itchy. Like my stickers, everyone?
Can we see your stickers?
That
Ta-da!
one and that one.
That one on the tip of your nose.
A few of them fell off. That's okay.
That is okay, yep.
Okay, now we got to walk 2 play ones.
Do you need this spoon? Take your whisk out.
Brownies. I'm still using it. I'm just using this. Whoops, my finger. Sorry about that. I'm just trying to dry my fingers off because I got it. Hey, chocolate on.
It's 12. Please take that away. It's also 12, Mommy.
Go away then, Milo.
What?
Milo, go
I
away.
thought the candy got eaten.
Sorry about that. I would just talk to my brother.
Okay.
You know who it was.
Hey.
You want to tell us a joke while you stir your brownie mix?
Oh, I got an idea. What's Oreo plus French fries? Silly.
What?
Get it?
Oreos plus French fries is silly?
Oreo plus French fries.
Oh, yeah.
Equals silly.
You're right.
That's a Kit Kat. But there's also a one Kit.
Kit Kats are yummy, right? Kit Kat plus butter is buttery Kit Kats.
You're so funny.
Equals fun.
That's
Get
double.
it?
Mm-hmm.
We don't have two kinds.
Brownie mixer plus
There's
dark
three
chocolate equals yummy, extra yummy chocolate. That's
No.
a good cooking dough. Alright,
Yeah.
another one?
That's
What's
all.
another one?
I'll have two kinds.
What's egg plus peanut butter? Brownie.
Brownie. You're so silly.
That's why we're cooking brownies.
Well, yeah, but there's no peanut butter in it.
Still yummy. But there's you would never eat that candy.
Yeah, my little hates that. Yeah,
Also,
he really
I
does
need
eat
that
Yeah, I
flavor.
can. Ah, chocolate!
Also,
Chocolate
Oh, my
bars.
goodness.
That was my brother.
All right, how you doing? Is it stirred up now?
Nope. Still lumps.
I found
Still lumps?
Still lumps.
Got to stir out all the lumps, right?
Uh-huh.
Yep. You got to make sure there's no
I got idea.
powdery stuff left.
No mixer in it.
Yeah, you don't have a mixer.
Yeah. that
Stir it
was
up, stir it up. Yeah, get it off the sides. Good job. Get it down off the sides. Look at you.
Candies. You buy those.
Okay, Milo.
Okay, Mom. Chocolate's all over my hand. I'm chocolate god anyway.
You're a chocolate girl.
No, he's a chocolate.
Wait, what? Oh,
What I keep.
I got.
Well, how do you keep getting it all over your arms?
I keep touching it with the spoons.
Actually, he takes two flavors.
Okay, I need to move this.
I will never eat that one because I hate it.
I need to set this down
That
somewhere.
one.
Got the setting there.
Set it in, yeah, set it in your other bowl.
Good. I will
If
go.
this a 3D strawberry, it's also celery flavored.
Okay.
You. I didn't lick it, everyone who's watching this video.
But you wanted to, didn't ya?
Yeah, because
That
chocolate's
flavor's golden pineapple.
the best.
The golden pineapple. I need that flavor. That's all my candies I need. And I don't need all of them.
All right, you gonna talk some more in the video?
Yeah. What's chocolate milk plus marshmallow?
You're so crazy.
That's marshmallow brownies. Marshmallow brownies.
Oh.
Plus Milo equals
So are you making this video for YouTube?
Bella.
Are you gonna have a YouTube channel like Mommy?
Bella plus Milo
Yeah.
equals Mommy.
Bella plus Milo equals Mommy.
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
Milo's joke. He made that up all by himself.
That's a funny joke.
I'm not silly or crazy.
You're not silly or crazy or funny?
Yes.
Hold on a minute.
Oh.
Oh, I
Oh, with
can't do
Bella.
Only Bella is?
That's our Minecraft so that we won't
Yes,
and don't
it's
press
real.
that. Don't pay attention to it. It's the
You're
TV.
funny.
That's all. Now back to the cooking.
Now back to the cooking. Are you mixing it up? Is it all done?
Nope.
Let's see.
Almost done. Good luck.
Those two.
Yeah,
Powder.
got some more in there.
Lots of it. Lots and lots.
Stir it up real good. Whoa, don't let your bowl get away from you.
Get the eggs. Take them. Take them. Take the eggs. And the take that to results is in the replies of the comments. Everyone, have you ever wanted to know what this brownies taste like? The results are in the comments. And I get some people who does comments or answer and they'll put a little smiley face that's yummy.
Oh, okay.
Yummy brownies. And they were yummy, yummy.
Chocolate candy.
Nope, don't got chocolate on me.
All right, come on. Let's get this stirred up so we can get it in the pan.
Yep, and we gotta weigh that. Our cup in it first.
Yeah?
Before we do that, you can watch me do that.
Mm-hmm.
Just watch and learn.
Watch and
From the
learn.
master.
Oh, the master.
I'm kind of a master.
Are you?
Kind of.
Mommy.
Are you going to be like Chef Ramsay? You going to be a master chef like Chef Ramsay?
I really master chef, but I don't know what you're talking about.
The man that's on Master Chef Junior, the show that we watch?
What was it for?
The man that cooks them, teaches them how to cook?
I always seen that it comes on Mondays at 8 or 7 or 6.
You've already seen that. I know. That's what I'm talking
A
about.
new season, I think.
Oh, a new season comes
have
on.
you ever heard of this show called Lego Masters?
No, I haven't.
One? Well, it's really cool, and it's got Legos, and there's a bunch of people that build Legos.
Wow.
And me and Milo are kind of Lego Masters.
Oh, the TV show. Yeah.
Yeah,
I
on
know that.
TV.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Lego Masters.
Yeah, we watch that show.
What? Blue raspberry flavor? Oh, what?
It's like
I
new.
thought we were out.
What's the cake flavor?
Oh. Get all the mix down and bottom.
Good job. Good
Mix
job. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Whew, you are a hard-working cook.
There's lots of it actually. This might be a 1 hour video, baby.
Oh no.
I don't know.
It don't take 1 hour to make brownies.
It doesn't.
Let me see. Oh, you got that mixed up good. All right, we're gonna get your whisk out of it.
Look what he.
Well, you bumped me.
Also, the wick was in the way, kind of.
Yeah.
Also.
All right. So next, we put this in there.
Hold on a minute.
Yep. Scoot your stool over.
Got chocolate on me again.
Man.
Oh, more chocolate. Even more. Okay.
Okay.
You don't want
Spray
me
your
to-
stuff in there. Yeah. Hold your breath. You're
Sometimes
so
I can't
funny.
do it when I'm trying to.
I know.
You're
You're
making
so
me
funny.
laugh. Don't laugh, please.
Good job. Woo, yeah. Get your breath. All right, good job. Yeah. You don't want to breathe it, do you?
Turn that fan on in a minute.
Yes, we'll turn that fan on in a minute.
Now, wait, help me hold this, baby. Let me all get it.
Okay, well, let me come on this side of you here. And I'll help you hang on to it so you can get it in there.
Okay, I need it tipped more. More this down in there. More of this, more of that, more of this, more of that. Oh, that. Had to dirty a tiny bit. That piece. There's more darling in there. See?
Mix it up.
There was a few pieces that I had the dirt over in there.
Okay.
Is that okay if there's a tiny bit?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. You know on chocolate, I'll get that in a minute. Well, when I'm done during this off. The wick would be a bit better, kind of.
No, the spoon is better. All right, rake it all down to the side now.
There.
Rake it all down to your edge of your bowl. Rake your sides of the bowl real good. Get them down there to that side.
Okay, that's it.
That's all right. You don't have to keep wiping. You're going to get messy. Come on.
Extra messy. Agree. Hey, want to hear a joke? My paper towel. Paper towel.
I don't know.
Can opener.
Oh my gosh.
That's a good one.
That's silliness.
Yeah.
It don't even make sense.
It's from Bella Land.
It's from Bella Land.
That's what I'm going to name myself.
Oh, okay.
Bella Land.
We're gonna name your YouTube channel Bella Land.
Bella Land Cooking.
Bella Land's Cooking.
Oh, Bella's favorite. Bella Land. The cooking and stuff. Cooking games. Food. You can eat.
Use the side of your spatula spoon and rake your sides of your bowl.
Oh, this side.
Yeah, the edge.
Oh, no, this side. This
The
side.
whole bowl needs its sides raked.
This side only.
All right, we're going to take a break and put this in the oven for a minute.
Welcome back, everyone.
Welcome back, everyone. Be very careful. Careful, don't touch the rack. It's very hot.
Yep.
Now we put that in there.
Now we close it.
And we set the timer.
Uh-huh. I see the camera. Everyone, this is at 28
28 minutes.
28 minutes.
And
29 minutes.
what are we going to do when we take this out? What are we doing with these marshmallows?
We're gonna put them in the brownies.
We're going to put them on the top of the brownies.
Then we're gonna bake them again, and then when they're done, we'll eat them up after they're done cooling off.
And the marshmallows will be all ooey gooey on top of the brownie.
Wanna why?
Mmm.
Wanna why I think the brownies are when you take your second or first bite? Mommy.
What?
The marshmallows are so hard and sticky and gooey when you take a bite.
Mhm.
It's like pizza because the cheese is so.
Yeah, because the marshmallow strings like cheese on a pizza.
You have to do this.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so we're going to take a pause on the video and wait our 28 minutes.
Uh huh.